Friends, welcome to the channel Howtodiscover. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of YouTube link not showing thumbnails on WhatsApp. For example, you have to share this video on WhatsApp. There you can see that thumbnail of this video. If you can't see this thumbnail with the link, there are basically two reasons. First, there is a bug in your WhatsApp. Second, there is a bug in your YouTube app. For this, you have to open the mobile settings and you have to go to the app management on your Android mobile phone. There you can see the app list. Now you have to open this WhatsApp here. There you can see the option of storage and cache. Now at the bottom you can see the option of clear cache. Click on it. In the same way, you have to open the YouTube app here. Click on the storage and cache and clear all the cache at the bottom. In this way, all the cache from YouTube or WhatsApp or all the bugs from YouTube or WhatsApp are removed. In this way, you can fix the problem of YouTube link not showing thumbnails on WhatsApp. I hope you understand the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.